Okay, now let's take a look at this number 7. A helicopter is hovering above a spot between Ben and Vanessa, who are standing on level ground 600 meters apart. The angles of elevation as measured by Ben and Vanessa are 35 degrees and 42 degrees. How far is the helicopter from Ben? Okay, so first of all, we know there are two people here, right? We have Ben and Vanessa. So I'm going to draw Ben here. All right, this will be Ben. And this will be Vanessa then. Okay? And there is a helicopter. Helicopter. Okay? All right. Now, we know the Ben and Vanessa are standing on the level ground. Okay? So assume they're standing on the level ground. Okay? Not on the air. They're here, 600 meters apart. Okay? That means from here to here, the distance is 600 meters. Okay? Now, the angles of elevation. What does that mean? Elevation, right? Means going up, like an elevator here. Okay? So the helicopter is on the top and they're looking above it. So there will be an angle in between. Okay? So let's draw the distance like this. Okay? And let's call this spin with a B, the Vanessa with a V, helicopter with H, okay? All right. Now we have two angles, right? For Ben, it's going to be 35 degrees. Vanessa going to be 42 degrees. Okay, so we put 35 for Ben and 42 for Vanessa. Okay. All right, there's one angle we don't know. We can figure that out. Okay. We know the triangle whole thing, interior, or everything inside should add it up to 180 degrees. Therefore, so for angle H, we can use 180, take away what Ben has, which is 35 degrees, take away Vanessa, 42 degrees, and we will get the answer. Okay, 103 degrees. Okay, so that means this angle will be 103 degrees. Now what should we do? Well, at this level, we don't have right angles, right? We cannot use any other formulas, but we can use one thing for non-right angle triangles. Okay, the sine law, the law of sines. Okay, so that means the side of the opposite angle over the sine of the angle should be constant for all sides. So for this case, let's see, the BV, the distance here, over BV is here, right? What's the angle opposite to it? It's facing here, right? That's 103. Over sine 103 degrees. Okay, should be the same as BH, this side, okay? What's the opposite? Well, look at that. He's looking at this angle here, which is 42. So sine 42 degrees over HV, where is it? It's here. It's pointing, going this guy, which is 35 degrees. Sine 35 degrees, okay? Let's solve it. The only thing we know is BV here. 600, so we put that in. Okay. Well, this will pretty sure give us a constant number, right? You can use calculator for this part, and we can calculate the others for sure, right? So sine 42 degrees, if I use my calculator here, which we can, is around 0.669. And sine 35 degrees here, okay, we can also figure out. All right, I'll do that later. BH, yes, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so we're looking for this BH because that's what the question says. How far is a helicopter from Ben? Right, we're looking for this yellow part. That's BH. That's what we're looking for. Okay. All right, let's do cross multiply. Cross multiply. And so that means, okay, 600 times 0.669 is equal to the BH times sine 103 degrees. Okay, sine 103 degrees is roughly around 0.97. Okay, and the left side we got around 401.46. Okay, and those things you can figure out by using the calculator. Now we can easily figure out the BH, right? Divide both sides by 0.9744. We will get around 412 meters. Okay, ta-da, that's the answer here. All right. Okay, so hope that makes sense to you. Okay, and see you in the next video.